In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit code in Shopify. So first of all, let's head to our customize page, customize theme. This is the first way, and the other way is either head to code. As you can see right here, you can find barcode, user permissions, but we're gonna head to here, click on customize for our theme, and then for example, let's select something that we would like to change the code. To do this, all you're going to have to do is actually select the item. As I said, you're going to find the piece that you would like to change and head back to here. Make sure you choose your online store or just head to home, click customize theme again, and then basically you'll be prompted with this page. In this page, click on the three dots, edit code, and then after that, you'll be editing your themes file. As I said, remember, we go back to here, find the featured collection, enter the rich text. So basically, we're going to find that. And after that, so layouts, for example, templates, and we're going to find that's what we are looking for exactly and make sure to change it. Keep in mind that Shopify works with something called Liquid. It's kind of like React.js, but it's not the same thing as well. But yeah, that's basically it.